Just a quick wipe down. Looks like I might have this sold tomorrow. Kind of bummed out. Got everything cleaned out. Interior needs to wipe down, but I'll do that tomorrow. All that I park this. Forward, unlock the brakes, and then reverse. I'm gonna drive around the block real quick. We're clear. Get all the water off of the wheels. So it might be sold. So I need to gotta fix my kids' cars. I gotta get the money to pay some bills because I am behind. And then get the XB ready for the Seattle drive to go see my daughter. So that's why I'm selling this car. Selling it for 10 G's. And when people try to lowball, I just keep telling them, bring your own wheels. Because the wheels alone, the tires are $2,000 plus. The wheels are like $4,500, $5,000. Especially now that they don't make them, they're rare. So, yeah. And everything is good. I have all the maintenance done at Lexus of Modesto. So, hope the person knows that when they get into this car, it is expensive. So, let me go ahead and park this bad boy. So, it's a good run. This is my dream car, my favorite LS front end. And yeah, like I said, I gotta pay these bills, gotta take care of the boys' cars, I gotta take care of my daughter, all part of being a parent. So, and as you can see, it's a stressful job being a father because your boy got white hair, what the fuck? That's crazy. So, yeah. I guess that's why I'm gonna try to go all out on the XB for VIP, and at least that one's fun because I get to customize my own VIP tables and do my own little VIP touches here and there. Yeah, but this car is actually the first car I bought for myself. I'm pretty old, guys. I'm 43. I bought this car 3 years ago when I was 40. And I bought this as a gift for myself. I've never bought myself a car that's this expensive. And if I ever bought a car, it was either I bought it for my ex. I never really bought something for myself that's, expensive. If I bought a car, it was always like $500 at the junkyard or something like that. And I actually bought this. It was, like I said, I'm very cheap, so this was very expensive to me. It was, and like I went through a lot, and it was kind of like a gift to myself to like, hey, you deserve it. And that's what this car means to me. So it's, am I sad? Yeah. But I gotta do what I gotta do to take care of the household, keep this house going. And make content, I guess, for my hobby, which is YouTube. So at least I'll get to play with the XB. I know this extra money will be able to get the alignment, the tires for the VIP wheels, and get them put on, and hopefully order the body kit. And then other than that, that's the rest is for the other XB, my stepson's Integra, and pretty much the house, fixing things in the house, maybe get a new roof. So it's but yeah, I got it has the Leon Hardred wheels that are, like I said, not discontinued, 21s, which are really rare. They are run on stretch tires. It has the walled lip kit, or all around, except for the spoiler and the fenders. Like I said, the fenders are $3,500. I don't have that money anymore to spend like that. So they had the headlights redone, had the paint correction done. Yeah, I wanted to, actually I was gonna have the whole interior done, all blacked out. I do like the gray really much on this car. It really brings out the chrome play off of it. So yeah, so the wall kit, headlights restored, Leon Hardred wheels, a walled side, and what I like is the rear. Gives it a sporty look when you're falling behind. Yeah. Curtains, VIP tables, big champagne table in the back. Got my Lexus pillows. I gotta order another emblem, but I don't have the money yet. That's like $300 to put on the XB. But yeah, that's the plans with this car, guys. So once this is gone, I can afford to order all the parts for this. Maybe not install it yet because I might not be able to afford it. Get this one ready for alignment and everything for the tires. And then get that Integra over here and get it past smog and tuned up. And we'll be good to go. And, you know, clean up the garage so I can have my garage back. We'll be able to afford a dumpster to put on the driveway and load it all up. Yeah, so yeah, alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video and, you know, let you guys know that VIP Lexus is no longer going to be on the channel once it's sold. So we'll see what happens this weekend. If not, then I'll probably drive this to Cars and Coffee on Sunday at Auto Factor, and then gonna go to the Mickey Grooves car meet for Prominence car meet, and I'll probably try this one there. So I guess say enjoyed while I still got it. Like I said, it only has 21,000 miles on it, so it's real low still. V8 engine. But yeah, so alright guys, I'm gonna go shower, call it a night, and I got a long drive tomorrow, so I gotta go to Petaluma. So alright y'all, peace. Thanks for rocking with me. I appreciate you, every single one of you guys.